Two of the easiest ways to edit video on your iPhone is using the native Photos app or using iMovie. Let's talk about the Photos library first. Find the video you'd like to edit and select it. After you've selected the video, tap Edit. From here, you can drag the handles on either side of the video to select your desired in and out points of the video. When you release or lift your finger from the yellow handle, the video will shorten or cut to the position you've selected. Just like with a photograph, the video can be edited in the same way, such as adjusting the color. When you're satisfied with your edits, tap Done. You should always select Save Video as a new clip. Your edited video will now appear in your photo album as an independent clip. The second method for editing video on your iPhone is using iMovie. iMovie is Apple's free native video editing application available for iOS and the desktop OS. If you've never used iMovie before, you may have to download it from the App Store. After you've downloaded it, go ahead and open it up. Launching it is mostly self-explanatory. We're going to select the movie option here. Find and select the video you'd like to use. It will now load in the editor. Tapping this plus icon will give you many more options to add different media to your video. For example, like a background or even do a voiceover. Tapping the wheel down in the corner will display project settings. Tapping your media will bring up some other useful tools like adding text. Your media is selected when the yellow lines surround it. Tap outside of the media to deselect it. I'll show you here how to edit your text. Just tap on the text in the display and type whatever you'd like. When you're finished editing, tap Done. From this projects page, you can export or share your edited video the same way you would share a photo, using many of the usual options such as in a text or as an email. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. See you on the next video.